Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today I've got a grocery haul to share with you. I did go to Aldi today and I did not actually get groceries last week on purpose because I wanted to see if we could get through some of the things in our pantry and freezer. And so I definitely needed to restock, especially on some produce, some dairy items. We were out of bread. And I am just so surprised at how grocery prices keep going up and up. All of these items that I got from Aldi, I mean, I still think it's a pretty decent deal, $239. However, I know that I used to be able to go to Aldi and fill up a whole cart of groceries and get out of there for like $150. So grocery prices are definitely going up. Let me know where you guys have been getting your groceries lately. I probably need to start planning more ahead and utilizing like Walmart grocery pickup or other things like that, just so I don't impulse buy, because I do think that that helps with that. But I'm going to share with you today everything that I got at Aldi for about $240. So before we get started with the grocery haul, I wanted to mention that my Variety Fun Box did come in the mail yesterday. So I always share this with you guys, and I think it's a great idea if you have kids that love to eat snacks, or, I mean, obviously what kid doesn't love to eat snacks? Or even if you don't have kids and you just want single serve snacks for portion control, or like my kids have to take snacks with them to school. So they do have a couple different options. I'll link them down below, but they have, you know, they send basically a different mix every time of sweet and savory. There's usually like Cheez-Its in here, pop chips, you know, Nutri-Grain bars, animal crackers, that kind of thing. So I highly recommend. I've been purchasing this for quite some time and we're pretty happy with it. Okay, so we'll start down here with the produce. I did go ahead and get a pineapple. I've been buying one of these every time I go to the grocery store, and honestly, it doesn't last us that long. But in the event that we don't eat it all after I cut it up, I will just go ahead and freeze it, and then we can use it in our smoothies. My kids have been loving when I make smoothies lately. I also got some Pink Lady apples. We were running low on apples, and I always keep them to cut up for quick snacks for myself and the kids. I also grabbed a bag of russet potatoes. There is a soup that I want to make, and then potatoes are always good to have on hand, obviously, for baked potatoes. It makes a great side for dinner. I also got some bell peppers. We were out of those, so I just got the multi-pack of the red, yellow, and orange. I got some green onions. I've been liking to use these in my cooking, and I do most of the time cut these down and regrow them. The ones that I have regrowing right now are a little old, so I need to replace them, so that's why I got these. I also got some celery. I'm probably going to cut this up and do like a veggie platter. And then I also have some tuna in the pantry that I want to make tuna salad with, so I'll probably use some of that for the tuna salad as well. I got some bananas. The kids like these for snacks. I also put them in smoothies. I did get them green on purpose because we still have a few in the bowl that are ripe, so they don't obviously take much time to ripen. And same with these. If I have some left over, I'll either put them in the freezer for smoothies or make banana bread out of them. I also got some shredded iceberg lettuce. We have not had tacos in at least a week, which is a long time. No, I'm just kidding. I feel like I make tacos a lot, but everyone likes them. And I always like to use the shredded lettuce on the tacos, so I grabbed some of that. Hey guys, Future Jen here. I want to pop in for just a second and thank Acorn TV for sponsoring today's video. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I worked with them quite a bit last year, and I'm looking forward to be working with them again in 2022. Acorn TV has definitely been coming in handy at our house over the past month. We've been on vacation. We've also had plenty of snowy weekends where we couldn't go anywhere and just sat inside the house and watched TV. And we've also had a lot of school activity cancellations. So we've been watching quite a few shows. But if you guys aren't familiar with Acorn TV, they are the largest commercial-free British streaming service, and they offer compelling stories, exclusive premieres, and originals that that you won't find anywhere else. Acorn TV also works on all of your favorite devices. I love watching it on the app on my phone. You can also watch it on Amazon Fire TV, Google Chromecast, Roku, and more. I watch a ton of things on my phone, so it's just super easy for me to do it on there. But if Adam and I do want to watch a show together, it's super easy to watch it on the TV as well. I love that Acorn TV is commercial free and it's only $5.99 a month. There's also always something new to watch because they add new content every single week. If you're looking for a new series to watch, I would recommend either The Heart Guy or Delicious, both of which I watched last year and both are great. But if you're looking for something newer, there is a new season of Under the Vines out right now. It actually stars Charles Edwards from The Crown and follows two people who inherit a failing vineyard in New Zealand, and neither of them have ever done a hard day's work in their lives. So it sounds super funny. I think I'm going to watch that one next. But if you guys want to try out Acorn TV, I have a special offer for you. You can try Acorn TV free for 30 days by going to acorn.tv and use promo code Jen. I know last time I talked about them on my channel, several of you said that you already have it and you watch it. So definitely check it out. The link will be down below in the description box. It's acorn.tv and use promo code Jen. And you can try Acorn TV free for 30 days. Now back to the grocery haul. I also got some sweet butter, lettuce. I think we're gonna have pizza tonight and I wanna make a salad on the side of that. I have some homemade ranch dressing in the fridge, so I'll probably just use that for that. And then I also have an avocado here. I'm not sure how I'm going to use this yet, but they looked perfectly ripe, so I got one of those. I also got some raspberries. These were a little bit pricey, but again, the kids really like to snack on them. I was running low on lemons and limes, so I did get one bag of lemons, one bag of limes. I think that Aldi is the best place to get citrus fruit, like limes and lemons, because you can get them in a bag and they're fairly cheap. So I recommend that if you're looking for those. I also got some cutie oranges. I usually buy those all of the time when I can find them and they're not too expensive because the kids like to snack on them. I also got some green grapes. These looked good. They had some red grapes there that actually looked pretty yucky, so I got these instead. And then I did get 2 packages of strawberries, so 2 pounds. These were pricey. I think they were like, I don't know, I can't remember if there were 2 or 3, $69 a pound, which I know is pretty expensive, but I pay it because my kids love them. I also got some 2% milk just because we were running low on that. And then I also got some half and half for recipes and for my coffee. I've really gotten away from using the Nut Pods non-dairy creamers, so maybe I need to get back into that. My Aldi doesn't carry that. Hy-Vee does. I have to go there, so maybe I'll do that next week. I did see these almond butter filled pretzels, and what's funny is I picked them up in the store and I was in a hurry and I actually thought that they were peanut butter. So whoops, I'm sure that they'll still be good. I've gotten these at Trader Joe's before and they are good. I did get some yogurt. I like to eat yogurt with either like fruit or granola for breakfast sometimes or for a bedtime snack. And then I've also been using this for smoothies for the kids. So I just decided to get a large container of that. This is the Greek vanilla bean whole milk yogurt. This is the one that had the least sugar, so I got that one. I got some eggs. I've never seen this brand at my Aldi before. It's Dutch Country Organics, and they are free range. I think they were a pretty decent price too. I can't remember. They're maybe like $3 something, which I know is expensive for eggs. But the cost of eggs has really gone up. I haven't priced regular eggs at Aldi in a while, but I know that just like everything else, the price of them has gone up. I did get some sharp cheddar cheese. Kira really likes to have this with like turkey and pepperoni in her wraps and sandwiches. I also got some of the turkey sticks. I always get these at Aldi. We really love them. I have tried different brands before. Like I've tried, I think there's like an Old Wisconsin brand, and then there's a Walmart brand, and I actually like these the best. I personally think that they taste the best. So I got those from Aldi. The kids like to snack on those with like cheese and crackers. I got some butter just to make sure that we didn't run out. And then instead of turkey, I got the oven roasted chicken breast. This is the one that looked the best. And this is the Castlewood lunch meat. I believe this is still $5.99 a pound at Aldi, which is not bad. They haven't always had this at my Aldi, but I would say for the last, good 6 months or so, they've been carrying it. I got some of these extra sharp cheddar cracker cuts for Kira mostly. She really likes like sharp cheddar cheese cubes and sticks, and this is just like basically the same thing from Aldi, except it's in little slices. I got a couple of these fruit and cheese with crackers. This one just has apples, Colby Jack cheese, and Ritz crackers in it. Sometimes Adam will take these to work with a can of soup, or the kids will eat them for a snack. I got some shredded sharp cheddar cheese because we were all out of that, and we definitely go through this for tacos and recipes and, I don't know, baked potatoes, just different things that we use it for. I saw that they had these artisan flatbreads. These are like the long rectangle shaped ones. I've purchased these before at Trader Joe's and they were really good there. I've never seen them at my Aldi, but I thought we could try them. I'll probably either put these in the fridge or the freezer until I figure out what I'm gonna do with them. I got Kira some 5 cheese ravioli. She really likes either like the fresh tortellini or ravioli with either marinara or Alfredo sauce. And then I saw that they had the broccoli cheddar soup. I only got one this time because I am going to try and make some soup this weekend to have for meal prep next week. So I just went ahead and got one because I could not resist. It's my favorite. I got some pie crust, again, a pre-made, item, but I do have some turkey still in the freezer from Thanksgiving. And so I was thinking maybe I could do a turkey pot pie one night for dinner. We'll see about that, but I thought that maybe that's what I would use that for. I also got some peaches. I used to buy these for Adam all the time, like the jarred refrigerated peaches, and he would eat them with cottage cheese. Personally, I don't like sweet things with my cottage cheese, but he really does. And I haven't purchased them in forever, so I just decided to get those for him. I also got some lemon curd. This is the first time I've seen this at my Aldi before. They always have it at Trader Joe's, but I thought it was neat that they had it there. So I'll stick this in the pantry and then figure out something to use with it. I got some extra virgin olive oil. We were running low on that. And then this is the first time I bought chicken at the grocery store in quite a long time. I had quite a stockpile in my freezer that I had ordered from a few different places. I'd gotten some from Home Chef, and then I had gotten some from Thrive Market too, but I'm running super low, and so I did get 2 packages of the Never Any thin sliced chicken breast. Again, I'm not sure what I'm going to make with them, but if I don't use them right away, I'll obviously freeze them. I got 2 of these yakisoba chicken noodle instant, whatever you call it, noodles. For Kira, she really likes to have those for sometimes she'll have them for an after school snack or like on the weekends for lunch. I got some soup. Adam really likes to take this kind of stuff to work for lunch with a sandwich. It's just super quick and easy. So I got him one of the sirloin burger and one of the creamy chicken and dumpling. And then I did also get some of the club crackers, the Aldi brand. These are pretty good. I honestly like them just as well as the name brand, so highly recommend those if you haven't tried them before. I also got a few jars of marinara sauce. I do have to make a lasagna this weekend for lasagna love, so I wanted to get some backups of that in my pantry just to make sure that I had enough. And then, like I said, we were all out of bread, so I got 1 loaf of the 100% whole wheat bread and then 1 loaf of the artisanal style bread. This is kind of like the Sara Lee Artisano bread. It's really good for French toast if you've never tried it before. And then I also got some brioche buns. We like those for chicken sandwiches or burgers. I also picked up this candle. It actually, to me, on the outside looks like a Christmas candle, but it's not. They had several different scents, and I chose this one because it was orange chocolate, which is one of my favorite candy combinations. But we always have a candle in the bathroom downstairs here, and I just thought this one smelled really great. So I got it. They had, I can't remember the other, I think there was like a pear and a different one, but this was the one that I chose. I got some French toast sticks. Connor really likes these for breakfast, and you can actually cook these in the air fryer really quickly and they turn out delicious. So highly recommend that. These aren't necessarily the healthiest. They do have some at Aldi sometimes that are like a high protein, lower sugar one. And I wish I could find those but I think it's more of like a seasonal item. I honestly wish I would have stocked up on them when they had them, but oh well, whatever. Live and learn. Okay, I was super excited to see that Aldi had Bantam bagels. I want to say these were $4.99 or $4.49. Yes, they're pretty pricey, but if you never had these before, they're delicious. I make them in the air fryer. You can thaw them out in the refrigerator the night before, and then they crisp up, and there's cream cheese inside of them. Actually, this bag opens so I can show them to you. So that's what they look like. I got 1 box of the everything, and then 2 boxes of plain. I actually think I like the plain better. But I've tried these before. I don't buy them all the time because, like I said, they're kind of pricey. But they are nice for breakfast, for a treat. And then this is something interesting I saw that I've never seen before, actually at Aldi or anywhere else. This is Chicken of the Sea crispy stuffed shrimp creamy wonton. So it says it's butterfly shrimp that has wonton wrapper on the outside, and then it has cream cheese on the inside. So maybe kind of like a crab rangoon, except it's shrimp. I don't know. I thought it looked interesting, so I thought we would maybe try that. And then I got this for Kira, toasted ravioli. I do not know. I don't know if they have this at Aldi all the time. It's the first time I've seen it there. I think at my store, but I did get that for her because I don't think I've purchased this for her in a long time, and I know that's something that she likes, so I got that. I did get some coconut shrimp. I thought Adam and I could have that as a side for dinner, maybe if I make steak next week. This is really good if you've never tried it. Aldi coconut shrimp, it's really good in the air fryer. I would recommend it. I got some mochi. This is the sweet mango. Connor had asked me for that, so I got a box of that. I also got some chicken patties to go with the brioche buns. The kids really like the bagel pizzas from Aldi. I would say they're very comparable to Bagel Bites, so I grabbed those for them. I got Adam some of the sparkling frost flavored water. This is just kind of like the sparkling ice that you can get at Walmart, and it's a lot cheaper. There's black raspberry, strawberry, kiwi, peach nectarine, and lemonade in there. All right, I got some Diet Coke. Diet Coke is the only diet soda that my Aldi carries, so I just have to get that when I'm there. And then I saw this in the aisle of shame. This is a 33 drawer compartment organizer. I got this for Adam. He's working on a room downstairs in the basement that like has his workbench in it and things like that. So I don't know, I thought I would get this for him and see if he could use it down there. If not, I'm sure he can use it in the garage. But I mean, this was $12.99, so I feel like that probably, you know, bumped up my bill a little bit. But even if you subtract like the paper towels and this, I mean, it's still over $200 for all this stuff. So yeah, I don't know. I think this is a pretty decent deal. $12.99 for that, so I got that for him. And then I did get some paper towels because I was running low, and I actually do like Aldi's brand of paper towels. I think that they're pretty comparable to Bounty. So that is everything that I got this week. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Acorn TV. I'll have all of the information and a link to sign up in the description box below. Thanks again for being here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.